How to transfer Gcash to Lazada wallet. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to transfer Gcash to Lazada wallet. Open the Lazada website in your web browser. After that, click on Login and log in to your account. Here, I've continued with Google by using a Google account. Click on Manage Account and reach to Manage My Account option. Click the Lazada wallet icon and select Cash In. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Minimum is 20 PHP and maximum is 50,000 PHP. Choose the different cash-in channels displayed. Confirm the transfer and wait for it to process, usually within a few minutes. Check your Lazada wallet balance to ensure the funds have been credited. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.